Here I have Samsung Galaxy F14, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Mobile Hotspot. So by tapping on it once, you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its name, you can change its password, you can change its IP band, you can change its security protocol. In advanced, you can also change its broadcast channel. You can set mobile data limit, you can change MAC address type. You can set its turn off timeout when nobody is connected. You can also hide your network and also protect management frames. So you can also display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can see connected devices, you can somehow manage them there, and that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.